picture of him spinning?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, he's gonna spin. Bye-bye. Oh! Oh! He had a smile on his face. I'm gonna do it again.
Go ahead.
Okay. Okay, now will you take a picture for Daddy of him doing that, Mama? Okay. Here it comes. Here come the big guns. Come. Okay, one more minute, and then we're ready to laugh. Bye-bye. Watch him go. I'm going to do it again, so you can take a picture. Okay, here it comes. If you insist, say, I insist.
I insist.
Okay. But you said not to spin him, Mama.
I said to be careful.
Just regular push him.
Sure.
Bye-bye. He's gonna go slowly then. Like that. Hey, can I watch the video? Hey, your iPad thing off.